get in Anand Ranganathan. Pardon me. Before I go ahead, I want to get in Anand Ranganathan. Anand Ranganathan, a CAG report signed on the 4th of March, 2024. Am I within my rights to raise questions that are being put in this? These are not concocted by me. These are CAG, which is under a law, the auditing arm of the government, which keeps an eye on taxpayers' money. I'm being asked, why don't I do this and that, and why am I asking questions on this? Should questions be not asked of the Honorable Chief Minister of Delhi?
You will debate 2002 crore, you will not debate 8.5 lakh crore.
My friend, you're most welcome to join the debate on 8.5 lakh crore rupees, but first, can you answer the questions on the 2002 crore losses, or 2,000 crores don't matter to you?
It's a fact, because it is made by the Congress president.
Raviji,
so
I
it's
don't
not relevant
from you.
What you have got 2002 crores is irrelevant.
Anand Ranganathan, preposterous argument coming from Ravi Srivastava, and that's his best defense. That's his best defense. Anand Ranganathan, please respond.
Navika, loss due to not obtaining timely permissions, 941 crores. Loss due to not re-tendering surrendered zones, 890 crores. Loss due to incorrect granting of favors to licensees, 144 crores. Loss due to incorrect collection of security deposits, 27 crores. That weather-beaten Aam Aadmi look with tattered chappals, loose pants, Reynolds pen, oversized unwashed shirt and oily hair, priceless. There are some things that an honest politician cannot buy. For everything else, there is master fraud. This should be the Aam Aadmi Party new ad featuring Arvind Kejriwal. Honestly, what a monumental fraud. And this CAG report, Navika, comes at the back of the Supreme Court that said, and I quote, there was conspiracy on drafting new excise policy. It was meant to help those who gave kickbacks. PMLA offences were supported by material evidence. VAT was reduced to 1%. 7% excess commission was given, amounting to 338 crores lost to exchequer. AAP forced a company to give up its 20% market share in favor of another company. But then, Navika, this is the party that celebrates anarchy, that publicly implored citizens to elect goons and thugs, that bought out much of the media with taxpayers' money. It's the same Kejriwal who spent taxpayers' money, our money, for paying exorbitant lawyers' fees in cases where ultimately he had to furnish groveling apologies. And it is the same Kejriwal who demanded Bharat Ratna for Satinder Jain and Manish Sisodia, both in jail right now. Navika, AAP government ad spending has increased by 4,273% over the last 10 years. 5 CAG reports are not being tabled right now in the assembly, and repeated requests by the LG to do so are being ignored. There is a massive Jal Board scam concerning illegal tendering, in which Kejriwal has also been summoned by the ED. There is a massive Mohalla clinic scam, wherein clinics entered either multiple 9s or 0s as mobile numbers of 14,749 ghost patients, so they could outsource thousands of tests, payments of which were made by private labs in the state. The High Court recently blasted Kejriwal for installing only 6 CT scan machines in the hospitals he runs for 30 million population. This is the famous Kejriwal health model, but no one knows it. As AAP has spent 1,073 crores in ads in the last 3 years, from turning Delhi into London, to cleaning the Yamuna, to removing pollution by stopping farm fires in Punjab that is controlled by AAP. No one has lied as much as Kejriwal. And as for his education model, out of 1,022 Delhi government schools, 824 are functioning without a principal. AAP promised 500 schools, opened 50, and we haven't even come to the 50 crores Kejri spent on Grand House, money that could have bought thousands of oxygen cylinders, opened tens of clinics, fed thousands of Delhiites during COVID. But you know, if you accept that AAP is as corrupt as all other parties, a kind of calmness dawns on you, Navika. So we should stop getting shocked by Kejriwal. He and his party are same as the leader of any political party, corrupt and hypocritical. Maybe that is why he keeps getting elected. Democracy is more often than we'd like to admit, not so much the defeat of the elected as it is of the electorate.
How many universities Mr. Modi has opened?
रवि श्रीवास्तव जी, क्या काउंटर है? किसी भी फैक्ट पर कोई काउंटर है? प्लीज स्पीक.
What counter? He is simply blabbering something and which has got no base.
Navika,
ये urban Naxal कहाँ से आ गए हैं? ना knowledge है, ना कुछ है. How the CAG made the report? How the CAG made the report? You tell me. And the CAG report has got the notional loss.
This was the
that
same
the money
guy
was
Oh, so we are back to notional loss theory. Again, notional loss theory. Shehzad Poonawalla, please come in. The one defense on the CAG. For the ED, the defense is ये सरकारी agency है. For CAG, the defense is it's a notional loss, so we should not worry about it. It's only 2002 crore. Yeah, this is not too much money, यार. 45 crores का तो घर बना था. 45 crores का तो शीश महल बना था. 2002 crore क्या होता है?